Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert paragraphs in WordPad. So for example, we have here two texts. I would like to insert paragraphs inside them. So first we need to select the text where we want to insert a paragraph. So I select this one text and then I need to click on this one option. It will let me to show the paragraph dialog box. So I click here and then you can insert here left or right paragraph, or you can insert paragraph only on first line. So I would like to insert paragraph on the first line, so I type here 1 centimeter, and then you can set line spacing if you want, and you can select alignment if you want, but I recommend you to set it on default. After that, I click OK button, and how you see, paragraph has been successfully added to this text. Of course, we can repeat the same action for this one text. So I select it, I go to paragraph settings, and I type here 1. Then I click OK, and how you see, our paragraphs have been successfully added to text. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a software problem.